All right, today is 3:12 p.m. Eastern Time for December, Monday. We have a disclosure here. Today we will show the A scalper and the swing trading. This is the A scalper on NT8, NinjaTrader 8, and it's the same on the market analyzer as you see. But this is a funny market analyzer. Like if you take the 30-year Treasury bond down, and then it goes back by itself. Doesn't matter. But I haven't finished with the market analyzer. But it's the same thing. The less price, as you see, it goes back by itself. You know, that's funny. But it is a little bit. We've been using the NT7 for many years, but this is your NT8, and last price, the position, and then you have on the NT8 each one of them how much it made today, and then the total is 2370, and now we are down 62.5. That's okay, but the total here is 2370. On the 150 ticks, the total is the same amount, is 24, and then you see the CL hit the target, ES hit the target, 30 Nasdaq hit the target. The YM did go south a bit. Is a NinjaTrader broker connection, and this is your NT8 on the scalper. It is pretty good in and out, and on a slow days, I mean, it is beautiful to scalp the market on a slow days. And also, you have two options. Either you can scalp the market or you can swing the market. Let's look at the swing trading today. This is the swing trading, and we're not done yet. We still have the YM. There is a 670 on the CL. Different accounts, 520, 380, and on and on and on the they're not done yet, but most of them they start closing one after the other. If you look at the previous video on Friday, I left it on purpose. It's the same. The DAX on the 1 minute made over 2,000. I think it was 26. I don't remember, but if you look at the last video, you will see on Friday made it over 2,000, and today one trade, and I love it. I mean, I wish we can do that every day on all market, but it was started today at 320, and it was done at 337. And this is 17 minutes, and you walked away with 668. There is a slippage commission, so let's say, and a tip for the broker, then you walk away with 600, and almost the same amount on the Nasdaq, which is the same, practically the same workspace. Some of the trades, like on a Friday, we didn't make it, but today, I mean, we made it. I don't remember the numbers, but let's say if we take the DAX on 150 ticks and made 2,900, and it was beautiful. And look at this. This is the whole idea. We took long, and let's look at the timing, because I like the DAX early in the morning, where when Tyskland is open, Germany is open, and then 641, and then the trade long was at 25. I really cannot see that number here. I really cannot see the number. I don't want to mislead on it. But then we enter at 304.45, and then at 31.5 we were done with the 29. The principle on that is, and now I have some traders start following my idea, that if this market is trending, we are staying. If the market is not trending, we're not putting severe damage to our account. And now we start having a lot of traders switching to that idea, and they are very happy. You can hear them when they are talking to me. They are much more relaxed and a bit less stressful. I have one gentleman also. He have one of our customers today. I would like you, and this is my kind of traders where they like to listen. And this guy sent me a message today at 10:01 a.m. and he said, "Sir, made 250. He took one Nasdaq and one ES." And the guy, he has been using the same concept since when I start showing the trader how to auto trade with a little bit stress-free, and he has done it, and now he's ready to move to DAX. And this is what, even if you have $100,000, is irrelevant. It's much better to start with a Nasdaq ES for a week or two, one trade each, till you get used to the auto trade, how it functions, and then you can go ahead and move on to the DAX. I'm a conservative trader, very conservative trader. I've been trading since early 90s. I have seen it all. So this guy here made 250 on one Nasdaq ES. Total investment, if you are with Ninja Trader Broker, on one Nasdaq and one YM, it is, what is it, 600 in total? Let's say 1,000 if you have an expensive broker. $1,000 investment, he made 250. But this is not, it doesn't matter, because tomorrow, if he's gonna auto trade the ES, he might catch $1,000, he might catch 2,000, he might catch 200, or he might walk away with nothing. But the auto trade, if this market trending, is not gonna let it go. Simple as that. And there is an efficient entry, so the efficiency is there, and we're not gonna miss the trade. And if this market mover, we are getting it, so there is no use to override the system. And then and I said, perfect, how long it took you? 5 minutes. And that customer said 2 minutes. 2 minutes, folks. So today he catch 250, tomorrow he might catch 2,000, or tomorrow he will not. And what I like about it, flatten everything, sir. You see, the guy, listen, he flattened everything. Super, done. Thank you, sir. Welcome anytime. So this is my, I'm trying to move the traders to this attitude, to be safe. It's not about the money. And I know the entry, it is very good, very efficient, and sometimes the name of the game, we're gonna be making it or not. It depends on the market movement. It's not about the auto trade, it's about the market movement. So, and let's take another one today. The Nasdaq took 2,400. But I had a few small ones, you see, at the beginning. I mean, but they were really all, they were, when the market is a flat, if you notice, the market is a flat. But if we notice the short trade, I mean, this one here, it was from 72.75 to 73.75. I mean, it is peanuts. And then it is a 3 minutes chart, folks. Again, it is a 3 minutes chart. And you can see the stop loss is peanuts, because the movement is, there is a flat market. And when the market took a trend, and let me see what time exactly when the market took the trend. The market start taking at 9:45, super. And then we were done at 11:24. Excellent. As long as this market is moving to our direction, hey, we can sit 10 hours with it. I don't care. But we are done, and there is no other trader or a professional trader can nail that much money on 2 contracts on the Nasdaq by 11:24. This one here was a bit choppy, but we walked away with 1240. Let's look at another one on the 1 minute ES, look, break even. Okay, let's look at the ES because everybody can be related to the numbers on ES. We took short at 53.25. We exit on the same number. Fine. We are in a hole $5. That's okay. Welcome to trading. Then we took another one, 54.75. We exit at 55.75. Fair enough. So let's say if we are, imagine we are live trading. We are accepting those. We are accepting that. Nothing has happened. And then we went short at 56. There we go. Look at this, gentlemen. And this is a 1 minute. And 26.56, the entry. And then we lost on that trade, and it is 56.50. Which trader cannot afford those trades? Even if you are manual trading, it is impossible for us to register and exit that trade within a half a point. I mean, this is really, if we are looking at the 1 minute as a trader, this is a very acceptable, and this is the whole picture here. And then we enter the market exactly at the right time. And let me look at those numbers, what time we enter that one here, so you can cross-check it at your chart. It was, folks, at 13.56 exactly. 13.56. As we said in the previous video, we have no clue when the market is going to spike. No one worldwide, not even market movers, can predict what time tomorrow able to move the market, like what happened now. So it could be the CL 5 minutes after the opening hours, like what happened in the DAX as an example. We take a trade, and this is the 288. We took one trade right at the spike and 25.47. Okay? And that's fine. That's fair enough. The market on the ES took a spike from that 13.56, and we exit at 14.57, walking away. Sorry, it's been a long day. Walking away with 950 in a profit. Plus minus a slippage. Today is a normal speed in the market, so it could be one tick slippage on the way in and one tick on the way out. So that's two ticks, and I mean, this is the way I look at it. $50 tip to the broker and $900 walking away in your pocket. This is how I look at it. Let's take another one. This one is a NASDAQ. I don't know. I don't remember if we did it, but this one 24. Sorry guys, it's been a long day for me. 24.35. For the guys are curious how many hours we put, I put an average a day 16 hours work. So, and then this is the NASDAQ. Also look at the same thing, 73.75, 75.25, 75.75 long, and then we exit at 74.50. This is a very, very, very affordable. We still have a trade on the CL on the 5 minutes. So on the last trade, it is $460. On the YM, as I covered on my previous video, if you have not watched my video, I said around this time I like the volume 1000 because we are diving into thin volume. Because of the holidays, people start closing their books around the summer when the kids are out of the school. I always like to use the 1000 volume during this time in here. And if you notice here, this entry on the CL at 44.29 at 12.52. And you know what? When the market is going to your direction, you're not going to feel the time. Just leave it alone. Do not override it. Do not close it. Let it ride. Leave it alone. And we will... okay, we have another CL on the 3 minute. What is the other CL then? The other CL was the 5 minute. YM was the 1000 volume. The range is 275 on the last trade. That means it's about to close. Nasdaq took just the last trade at 93.50, exit at 88. This is not bad at all. 88.25. You do the calculation, that's a lot of ticks. And then we have the CL on the 3 minutes. Enter at, Jesus, it is almost from 11 o'clock, and it's still taking a ride with this one here from 11 o'clock. Hey, I mean, you know, if it's going to your direction, just get yourself a cup of coffee, put your legs on the table, enjoy the ride. That's all what I say. So this is what we have for today. Also, we have the signal on the NT8. Oh, by the way, this one is also the swing trading on NT8. And maybe we will show you also some other day the dome. We made a nice dome where you can enter with the signal on the dome. On the NT8 signal entry is a different system also for NT8, and we've been working on it for over 2 years right now, and there is a new update on that. Folks, for my traders tomorrow, as normal, a lot of traders ask me if there is a webinar tomorrow. Yes, it will be a webinar tomorrow. We have a few traders has switched to the swing trading, and there is a few traders they are ready to take out the DAX. They're done with the ES, and they're done with the Nasdaq. Now they want to go forward, so we will cover a little bit about the DAX tomorrow. Folks, I thank you very much. God bless you all, and see you another day. Bye for now.